some people, I have some things I go share with you. See, me have this girl here with Ivany, you know what I mean, have a deal with her things them. See, and people, I go tell you, you see this woman here, you see anything what she say, wanna take it with a grain of salt. Do not believe everything that woman here say. Remember Ivany, like, she full of tricks and plans. You see me I say? I remember she said she a go do anything in her powers to keep the baby away from Owie. You see me? I go show you one video and I go show you why you don't have to believe everything that woman has said. When she say out her mouth, you don't believe everything. See? And I go share something with Blinga say about the whole Ivany situation and thing. I go open up on her eyes to some of the things them will go on right in front of her face. See? I go share with you know what I mean? Rosalie talk about some things also. She has said she want to link up with Swisley and thing, right? Roger and Royal Dawg, you know what I mean, find out say them a family by law. You see it. But the first thing I go kick it off with are the girl where Ivany friend where I go around and I tell people all different sort of stories. Because to me most of what she say are stories she a tell. Seeing? So we're gonna get in it right now. Feel like she is selling her story, people.
Here, she said I'm supposed to advise y'all that she's still in custody. She get bail and everything, but immigration hold on to her to come and interview her.
What?
They're waiting on an ICE officer to come interview her.
Let me interrupt you. You know you get my phone call.
You want me show you my screen? You want me show you my screen?
Take time. Remember, me have to answer. Me have to ask the question.
RT boss may look like him gullible some of the time to certain things, you know, but he's a man where you can't go around.
People let me know.
RT is doing too much. Like, this is not funny anymore.
So, are the police call you?
She said Ivany.
Call me.
All right, I rest my case. Continue.
RT boss, no easy, man.
I can't even go into the number because me a screenshot something because I feel like you're lying me a tell.
You know me now. See again. I want them Jesus call you to you get really important phone call.
All right.
Man's annoying me right now.
Are you serious?
Mama come with receipt today. Don't play around, you know.
Check on the time.
Take away number now. Take away number. But that take away number now. All right, but that look like a Jamaican number still.
RT.
Yeah,
so people, I need for light too, no?
A Georgia number, man, RT, a 678.
All right, so the bottom line is
them things.
She said I'm supposed to let y'all know.
Okay, we work with that. We calm down.
That she's waiting for ICE to come and interview her. But she banned out and everything, so that is the case.
Sorry, before you go, is there a lawyer or not as yet?
The lawyer went to court today, RT. The lawyer went to court today.
Okay, so we don't need to ask about the lawyer again, right?
Right, the lawyer was paid. I just cannot show the retainer because
no, we don't need that. We don't need that.
Okay.
We don't need that. Ivany is the receipt when she comes.
I sent the money to the lawyer from last night.
All right, so question. So you are just saying the ultimate thing. So it look like you said them the people why she don't leave yet.
Right. She has to wait until ICE come and interview her.
So when we want to know, Taya, when we did our try for work early after try to speed up, that wasn't the issue. Like I know the lateness makes you not come out.
The money pay. You see when I called you and tell you don't collect no more money. Ivany bond money paid already.
Excuse me, Taya. Good night. I just have a question. Like how them have immigration to question her, right? Do you contact her lawyer and tell her lawyer that?
Yes, everybody's aware.
That's all I want to know. Thanks.
All right. So question now. Where the where the Christian people am they hide? Me want to say something, please. Give me that time.
Bonjour, come kiss
Where the people
where
when
minus
you're
plus my
Christian,
ass.
when
You're
you're
for lie,
supposed to
bitch.
there, where you're Christian but you're listening, yeah, they are hide. All the Christian people them push out on themselves, let me see the me, because we're asking you
On
to do
RT.
something for us.
RT.
You're calling me?
RT and Blinga. RT and Blinga. I'm going to text you guys something that she also said to tell you, Cheese and Blinga, okay? RT, Cheese and Blinga. Okay?
He called me like, yeah, boss, to me, no, me like that. So me say to you now.
No, she said I'm supposed to tell you all three.
Yeah, all right, good. All right, me go say something. I want the question to ask them.
Alright, now me pause it right there so before me forget my train of thoughts. People, this woman here so she defensive, ready for cuss people and something when them just ask some questions because what she says like them not believe her. Let me tell you something, man. I think yesterday she say Ivany ban out and everything and rare. People, me go tell you something. ICE now go interview you. If them walla if you go jail, yes what I say, and them are gonna release you. What ICE need for interview you for? That a number one. ICE don't want interview you for the only interview you gonna do. Because you see ICE Ivany already in a dealings with them already. She a seek her asylum or whatever. Right? The only time them a go in a dealings with her are when her case get called up. Them no need for in a no dealings with her because point blank period them can't deport her until her case done. So some of the people them when me see in the comment section I say Ivany I go get deported and ICE I go nothing like that my people. She have an immigration case already, an asylum case already. You see, before that asylum case done, she can't get deported from the country. So me don't want to make nobody tell her nothing. So ICE don't need to see Ivany for nothing at all. You see me I say? Nothing at all. Them no need to see her about. You see it? You see if like them have her in a custody like at the local police station. You see, if she did in the country like illegal or whatever, although she in the country illegal, but if she never did a seek an asylum case and whatever, she have that done part already. Them would already, you know what I mean, send her go to the immigration facility. You see me, because she illegal in the country and she don't have a asylum case. So she would automatically go there. But like how she have a case already with ICE, seeing them now go send her to that facility because them know say them now go deport her or anything because she already have a case with ICE. ICE don't need to see Ivany none at all until them go do the interview. So when this girl I come tell you say, remember yesterday them a spread it big. Say she come out of jail, she release, Now she gone at ICE and ICE a wait for interview her for what? Tell me what kind of interview ICE a go interview Ivany? Not because she get in a trouble. That now go expedite her case with ICE. You see me I say? It now go expedite her case with ICE because she get in a trouble. Remember, them do the case them in a order. Who come first? So until them reach to Ivany, then them a go deal with her for interview her. When ICE a go interview Ivany say, wanna tell me in the comment section. Them not have nothing to say to her, none at all. Or ask her. The only thing them a go interview her are when she go to the judge fi go fight her asylum case. Them no need to talk to her about nothing. So what this girl I say, I could go and watch some more and then me talk some more people because I lie that girl I tell say Ice of Ivany and them I wait for interview her, yeah?
They send me again. Now, what did you say again?
What me text you on RT?
You hear how RT boss asks her, it come like everybody all Jesus I text you because RT boss know say a lie my tell. And I go show no because Blinga have some things to say and I go hear what Blinga have to say.
Yeah.
Inbox. That's your inbox, yeah. I want me to say to you, no say me for again. You remember me now, what me did it? Me not like how this sound.
Me either.
Well, the Christian people, we need one fast in the morning. We can do that for the real Christian, the one them where they are hide under the quiet and so forth. We don't give 1 hour fasting for Ivan, we need it. Do it a man, please. 1 hour, we even 1 hour, I beg it. If I even say, thus said the Lord, bless Ivan, do me, I beg it. We 1 hour of fasting. Please. Tomorrow. Started from 6 in the morning and it can done by 8 o'clock or 7. Just 1 hour, please. I'm going to say something.
Oh, God.
Before we read the text,
People them a take on for a ride, yeah?
What did
she
you
was
gonna
telling me
read?
is,
She
when me
said
go say
share
two
it
names.
with you, Bling and Cheese. What's the point of sharing it with everybody? What's wrong with this man?
Nah. Me not want to say if I'm going to read the text, I get my text. And if it's me not for share it, me not share it. So I'm going to read my text. Bling, you get your one?
Alright. Yes, in the
Bling, you
text,
get your text
people,
yet? Me get mine.
Just take this
I
thing
don't
for
know
a
in the
joke.
text.
All for their show.
Bling, freeze up when you hear me.
RT boss know say a lie.
Anybody in the box say hear me?
Is either Ivany out or Ivany still locked up.
Bling, as you get your text.
She not get bail yet.
She probably on mute.
But listen now, in order to read mine, I have to come out. I have to come next one date, I have to come off. So the question is, I want to bring them nearby so I can read mine and she can add me back. You can add me back, TikTok liar. TikTok liar, you can add me back. I want to read my thing.
Alright,
What she do?
I'm gonna get a text here, but you can send it to me.
Go on and come back. Me add you back. Me there, man.
It's not sound good at all.
Me people, them a take the people them for a ride here. Remember me telling you that.
It's like it I get from
Remember
bad
that,
to
me
worse.
people.
It's crazy. And I see him think them are run
forward
from it.
You know, water over here, so.
The devil is a liar. Come on. Rebuke the devil. Rebuke the devil.
Yeah, so I text RT. So RT, I will send a message to you.
All right, Taya. She not
really
really.
you so confused. No, man, Blinga, I'm not confused. I know something for confused, yeah. RT, forward the message to Blinga, please.
All right, RT gone now. When he come back.
Guys, my son, of course.
Yeah, Taya, don't come down. Can I say something to you?
Sure.
All right, Taya, please. I was in the situation that you were in.
Alright, before that person that talk, people, wanna see what RT do? After RT get the text message, RT boss jump off of the live. A style him use and jump off of the live. Wanna see what Bling do? Bling now come in at the camera and I interact with this girl, yeah. Because this girl, yeah, Ivany, plan up, you know what I mean, if do this what them a do, and them now wanna lap now part in the situation. People, me I go play a next video with Blinga. You see me I say? And me I go play one clip with this same girl I talk about the Ivany situation. This girl, yeah, she a go end up put herself in a trouble, you know what I mean, and sink Ivany deeper. Them better make sure say whatever plan them a plan up, them do it in the confine of the law. You see me? Because if them a plan, cause remember Ivany say, you know, she can run go back to Jamaica anytime, you know. See, so maybe she even a plan to sneak out of the country with the baby. You see me? Remember them say already say the baby that Jamaica, you know, which the baby don't even have passport, much less we got Jamaica, you know. You see me I say? So this thing here, what them a do, them better know what them a do. Me understand, say she feels some type of way and she don't want the baby get taken away from her because she born with her picnic. She carry her picnic for 9 months. You see me, birth her youth. You see me, but all her foolishness lead up to this. Because she feel like say at Jamaica she there, but she can do what she feel like and you know say America different from Jamaica. You see me? So that woman here where I come and talk for Ivany and I collect people money and them something there, people don't believe everything she say. Take it with a grain of salt. Ivany, you know, there are no immigration. Remember, Ivany is a person where, you know what I mean? You know what? Make her watch someone, then we talk some more. Because I don't want to talk about too long. I want to know watch.
About 2023, just relax yourself and know what you're going through right now. Just relax yourself, honestly. I have somebody that went through the situation on the side that you see after the criminal case done, them are gonna tell you say, oh, I come interview. I not come interview nobody.
Yeah, exactly.
I pick them up, come pick her up. So in the meantime, you're there tired. Just hold it forth. In the meantime, get an immigration lawyer. If you already have an immigration lawyer, get the immigration lawyer on the work. In the process of doing that, it's either they might give her a day if you come, it's either she get a bond hearing or whatever asylum case is, they will work on the asylum. In the process of doing that, the next thing, all I need to quiet, in order for her, for her status to be okay, she have to marry a U.S. citizen. The lawyer will tell her all of that. So just relax yourself, baby. Me know say it go.
No man, that would be a different case because if she already in a immigration process, that's gonna be a
listen, me I tell you no man. Listen to me I tell you no. Me I tell you half of facts because guess what? The relative we have right two is in an asylum case, but the lawyer on the side we tell us say you don't have to wait for the asylum case to come up.
What delicious.
The
only person can help Ivany is somebody in the U.S. Army. Nobody else.
Let me tell you something, people. You see them people here who come on the internet and I chat off their mouth, and you know listen to them. Take what them say with a grain of salt. You hear this woman come and she has say all Ivany have to do a married a US citizen. She don't have an immigration case already. She don't need to marry nobody for her status. Okay. She can marry if she want because that can make her, you know what I mean, nobody. She can withdraw the immigration case, yes. The asylum case if she get married. That can straighten her up in a foreign. But when this woman here I come say, you know, say our people do this and do that, when them, you see, if the marriage, like if you not have proof say you're this person or dating, you know what I mean, before you get locked up in an immigration, them are gonna turn down the marriage. You see me? I say them are gonna say a business wedding. You see me? So she can marry somebody, yes, but you have to be careful. And them can still send you home. It's just a 50-50 chance. You know what I mean? She already have a case in process. So them now go deport her. None at all. Alright. You know the youth named Batman? The fisher named Batman. Remember how him have an immigration case, you know? You see me I say? Him have an immigration case, an asylum case. And him there foreign a thief down the whole place. Every minute him thief. Them whole upon him what there. Them have him in a holding. Them release him from bond. Them call him back again. them not send him home, me people. Them not send him home because him already have an immigration asylum case pending. So until that case finish, them decide what to do to you. If them are going to let you go in our country, or them are going to send you back to your yard because you know win your immigration case. So all these people are talk about Ivany, you will get deport and deport and deport. Nothing like that now go on. Them now go deport her because she already have an asylum case. She can do whatever she want in the country. The only thing them are going to do, them can give her prison time, send her to prison then. But them now, even if after she come from prison, our immigration case not done, them now send her home. Our immigration case have it done first. And this next person will say the only person she can marry is an army person. Forget her thing, sort out. Nothing, people. She can married and maybe try that route there, forget her papers in America. You know what I mean? But even if she married, she still can get sent. If she married and withdraw her asylum, at that the time that she can get deported. When you say the asylum, you say if you win your asylum case, you can't get deported to Jamaica, none at all. Because you are run from that country. So you can't get deported, none at all. If you win your asylum case. If you withdraw your asylum case and married somebody and the marriage got through and you get your papers, them can deport you because you married a person for papers. If you do anything wrong, them can send you back to your yard. So I can watch and hear the lie what them are telling you.
Yes. So I mean, that yes, for true.
Please, no regular person can help her.
No regular person.
We're Toya. And Toya, if you're hearing,
yes, true.
Do not sign any papers I give her without her.
Yeah, none at all. Yes, because they will give her the paper for voluntary deportation. They will give her the paper for volunteer without a lawyer.
Do not sign any paper ICE give her without her lawyer. ICE is not coming to interview her.
ICE now come to be a friend with her. What the case that she had before was a criminal, is a county case. Now when to turn over to ICE, it is federal, and federal is above every other else. All different ball game.
You're right, Toya.
Alright?
Toya.
Different people.
Toya, whatever Ivany do, she do not sign nothing because they will trick her into signing her rights away.
That's true. Good night, all.
All right, guys, could you please mute for a minute? Toya, whatever.
No, but if she have a lawyer, the lawyer go.
No, I'm saying without the presence of her lawyer. Sometimes they'll come there and try to speak to you without your lawyer. Whatever Ivany do,
sure she must
she
know
do not
that.
sign nothing and she ask for her lawyer. She have rights. Not because she in ICE custody, she still have rights.
She's not in ICE custody yet.
Listen, girl, ICE coming to pick her up. Did she ain't reach there yet?
Bright
Because
and
ICE
early
don't work on the
tomorrow.
weekend.
Bright and early, they do it on
But
the
they're coming to
weekend.
pick her up. They will work on the weekend, but right now she's in ICE custody. Not because she's still in county.
Yes.
That's
Because
in
the
custody.
TikTok client, if the paper was processed, if the paper was processed before 4 o'clock and she's out for 48 hours, ICE can't pick her up.
Yes.
But once they have in the all-in area, they're there and then ICE is going to pick her up.
Because on the
My
system,
question is
her
Ivany.
bond is revoked. On the system now, where it had said total bond, there's 0 there now. Earlier it was saying 2,100. Now it's saying 0. That means her bond is revoked. So y'all have to play it wise.
Yeah,
Y'all need Go ahead.
Revoked.
Is
It
the
was
lawyer
already
that
paid.
you get for Ivany is just a criminal lawyer or a criminal and immigration lawyer in one?
Was that?
Criminal.
No, Toya, that's the mistake y'all made. That's the mistake y'all made.
No, that is not a mistake, man. All she have to do is just let the immigration law
Oh my
take
God,
over
so
from
much
her.
It'll be
village
nice
lie.
to
I'm
know
trying
it-
to take them in my
It'll be
head.
better
about that.
because
Just listen to me for a second, ladies.
Everybody
All
knows
she have to
what's
do,
what.
if it hand over to immigration, all she have,
But that's a different money you have to pay. That's a different money.
That's a different money.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The money have to pay same because the lawyer ain't going to do it free.
No, it would have been cheaper if she had
Yeah, ladies, it's already gone already.
People in that video, yeah, me know me talk a couple times, but me have to kind of catch the point them for showing the vibes them, right? Alright, the TikTok lawyer just say a while ago say Ivany ban is revoked. Like them give her the ban and then them take back the ban from her. Seeing the girl her friend where tell the people them say Ivany get banned, she pay the money and everything and she get banned out and whatever she away on immigration to pick her up. She would have that the information there. Cause Ivany, she said she talked to Ivany. So Ivany would have call her because them have the access to call people. You see me I say? And she no object when TikTok lawyer say Ivany ban is revoked. You see me I say? She no object and say no, it not revoked. It okay. You see me I say? She run with it. So you see all of them things here. I cook up a story. My people don't listen to them, don't believe them. Wanna see where Wanna see what RT boss do? From she come talk and I say I want to get banned and I grown say she get called from this a person, that the person. You hear the question them RT boss ask her, and after when she send RT boss the message, you wanna see what RT boss do? Jump off of the live. You wanna see what Blinga do? Move away from the live. Them no want shut down the line, you know. Them just no want put themselves in a hit. Them no want be part of it for people say them a run scam and game and tricks. I remember Ivany feel like say she had the smartest thing on TikTok, you know. Remember she feel like she know the law and everything, you know, she always do some little tricks and you know. So I plan she and that one you plan up, you know, if you come give the people them some false story, if you put in at them head if you believe. Them have some plan. Me don't know what the plan is either she a go move from which part there and go somewhere else go live. Is either she a go try sneak out of the country with the baby. Is either them a try to make some money on TikTok by saying these things, but something are the reason why them are tell the people them lie. You say if I did the truth, RT boss would have stay upon the live. Remember, you know, for the last day or two, you know, RT boss and Blinga, them a go hard for Ivany, you know. Very hard, you know. Yesterday them a celebrate pan cheese live, say Ivany get banned out, you know. Now immigration come pick her up after just one day. In a jail, immigration come pick her up. After just one day, immigration now come pick you up so fast if you get banned out so quick. You see me? And one of the girls was say, once it reach over to the feds, ice it reach over to. And she has said something about the feds and ice and the feds and ice are two different entities. You see me? I say the feds are the feds, ice are ice. You see me I say? So are two different people them. So what them come like all of them a friend and them come and try trick the world. But only not get tricked by them, yeah? Make a watch some more.
Yes, but we never know she would have been
Toya, you see when you're undocumented, that's what everybody was trying to tell you yesterday, but y'all was getting very like defensive. Once you're undocumented in a red state, they don't turn you over to immigration. It's not a if.
She already have an immigration lawyer, guys.
But Toya, she have an ICE immigration lawyer. She need a paid lawyer now. A lawyer that won't have some big bucks who can say, listen, she need to go home and be with her family.
Money will fix anything.
Exactly.
No
because if she's here,
and at the end of the day, it's nothing to worry about because the judge has the final say. And some of
I was
them
telling y'all this yesterday, you can't get no regular.
What she need lawyer for? She already have an immigration lawyer. Seeing them already pay one different lawyer for ban her out. What she need more lawyer for? What she need big bucks lawyer for? She already have an immigration lawyer who deal with her immigration case. Them pay how much money for ban her out with a different lawyer. Them are confuse me people. You see me? Them people here only don't listen to them.
Regular lawyer, because the moment she get bailed today,
she get
if
bail,
she had a
right,
criminal
and then
immigration, they're gonna say, listen,
so
y'all gotta get her out of here now,
like,
before ICE come and pick her up.
Right?
She's picked
she
up by ICE. Her bond is revoked. Y'all gotta get a separate bond now, you know. Immigration bond is a different bond.
Yeah, but what I'm saying,
my sister, you this attack.
She call her friend.
What I'm saying, right?
Quiet.
What I'm saying.
Immigration
I'm coming down.
and she wait for
Alright, in the box talking. I'm coming down.
It's a different bond, Toya. It's a different bond. Immigration bond is a different bond. That's how you want. That's why you remember when World Dog was saying, I don't know if y'all remember with the Willie situation, it was the same thing World Dog was saying. They need one lawyer to handle everything. That's why Willie is still in custody. Because he only had a criminal lawyer.
Yeah, criminal lawyer doesn't take over from immigration lawyer. You have to get two separate.
Or have the same one that practices both.
You have lawyers that practice both.
This is both. Yes.
Think that lawyer. What I am saying, it already gone already. Them already paid the criminal lawyer. So what them have to do is just move towards the immigration lawyer.
Yes, move with speed.
Even though she have an immigration lawyer already, it's a different case.
Mm-hmm.
So it don't cost new money. That's all I'm saying.
You're going to need new money.
People.
Yeah.
People.
And Toya said to when before Toya
we go to the process when Vani come out. You see, once the bail bond pay, them are go come pick him up early in the morning. Because they cannot hold him over I think 24 hours, 72 hours. So anytime the bail bond pay, they might come pick him up. Them put a hold on him so nobody couldn't come out. Them hold him. So when the bail bond pay, them I go come pick him up. Them done that the same thing to me.
Okay.
And sometimes let me tell you this, the one liar we do the both things. Some of them don't know nothing. You hear?
No, but you can get experience one. No, I understand what you're saying. You're right. But
some of them tell us that them know about immigration. Them only can file paperwork. Them don't know.
No, but a criminal immigration lawyer.
They don't know the books. None of them don't know the
books. It's true.
And the liar is the biggest liar. I mean, I actually tell you. Some of them only can file paperwork. They don't know the court
yeah,
books.
that is true. But
you
a criminal
you can't tell Vani because we went in the process.
You're right. You're not
okay.
You're right.
So, all you have to do, Vani go there so Vani can apply for bail.
Yeah, she can get a bond. Let me tell you what.
So she's gonna need a bail
again. The problem
again
right now is because they're not picking up. Because basically, it's just a red flag them get fearing. So they're not picking up the
listen, let me tell you this. Vani doesn't have no paper. And Vani charge. I think it's a felony. I don't know felony go over immigration system no work, right? So no say so it go. And the worst if you get in more than one trouble, they will hand him over to ICE so them stay. Vani should have been moved from Georgia. Yeah. He should have been moved from Georgia, but Vani too stubborn and don't take telling. Even though it gone already still. It done gone already and it bad, but we're looking at what they come now.
Mm-hmm.
You know, just have to work for immigration lawyer for
that's it.
An immigration lawyer for just try to start being.
Yeah, she have our immigration lawyer.
Put up some prayers. I'm gonna go and jump up for immigration lawyer.
All right, guys, listen to RT. Be quiet, guys. Be quiet. RT is doing work. Mute. Everybody mute.
Some people, I listen to what them say. Some of the things them what them say can be true, but some of the things them what them say, nothing no go so. You see me, them come with one bag of blabbering and I contradict themselves. Seeing? Alright. See RT boss come back, you know, and more hear what him officer. Because the movements by RT boss and Blinga I tell me something, my people. You see me? And if I plan this girl here and Ivany and plan no look foolish, then better do it in the confine of the law. Because this youth here, him a go hard for him youth. And him not go take no foolish. So if alright, look here. if Ivany already have an immigration lawyer and she always in contact with her immigration lawyer, why these people want Ivany to get another immigration lawyer? Tell me why. That are the first thing I want to know. Look upon her and see say some lawyer tell you so. It's either Ivany I tell her say she have an immigration lawyer, or them I tell her say she need an immigration lawyer. Why would you need an immigration lawyer when you already have one? I remember Ivany always a boss. She always a boss upon her immigration lawyer. So she pay a whole heap of money to her lawyer. And him one of the best immigration lawyer. Why would you want to look at next immigration lawyer? Look like say them a look some money for do something. It look like say Ivany willing to go back to Jamaica, sneak out of the country and go back to Jamaica with the picnic. It look like a that I go on. You see me I say, but we are gonna see everything unfold. And these people, them better know what them a do and don't steer this girl in a more trouble than she already in. You know what I mean? Me find it hard for know say after one day and she get banned out, ice come for her, seen, and then them a go revoke the bail. And this girl Ivany friend when TikTok lawyer, the person they know, TikTok lawyer, she don't know Ivany, she not in no contact with Ivany, you know. And she a tell the people them what happened. Say Ivany ban get revoked. The girl where her friend where come attack everything. If Ivany ban was revoked, don't you think that Ivany would call her and tell her say our ban get revoked? First of all, you have numbers where you can call. Right? Them give you a set amount a credit where you can call people. I mean no say them now make Ivany run out of credit for call. And them are go allow her to use the phone once changes make to her thing. So you tell me say this TikTok lawyer know more than the person where Ivany in a contact with. People no take what them a say with a grain of salt. Me could hear what RT boss a say.
These people really believe in this stuff.
Let me say something. Fasting and prayer. That's all I am saying. To everybody who out there, fasting and prayer. Taya, you not say another word in English. And I am not going to say anything. All I am going to say, carry on with the show. Prayer and fasting. And wait till you hear from Ivany. I mean, I ask the people who say they are a true Christian on the island and listen to Kings pray.
Right?
I
Mm-hmm.
You want to send me the message, make no back and forth. I have one serious situation over here to deal with. So my back and forth.
All right, maybe screenshot you. So, all right, maybe screenshot and send.
Why Blinga?
All right, the back and forth.
I want to say something.
Blinga, RT boss, go talk off the ear. You hear RT boss come back and say, carry on the show. Carry on the show. Carry on the... Alright.
I don't want to say nothing. I want to...
Him instruct the girl, say, don't say another word. Tell me why him don't want she say nothing. Him don't want to lose him credibility and him... me can't find the word, you know, honesty, something like that, honesty. You know what I mean? I'm being, for the people that believe him, him don't want to lose that. Him know him credibility then, yeah. Him don't want to lose him credibility. Yeah, so me I say, and Bling stay out of it. Yeah, Bling I tell him say if he send her the whatever, she don't get it already, them don't discuss already. Them a draw themselves out of it very neatly. Wanna listen?
Say something. I don't want to say nothing. You see, let me tell you something, people. Confusion may play right now. I'm going on Taya side. Confuse the enemy. Leave it right there, so I could go with the show.
When you hear what RT boss say, he make sure can talk, confusion him a play. Him a confuse the enemy. Him go upon the girl's side. Why? Him no want say nothing more. Him no want mash up them plan, but him no want lose for him credibility. Him no want people lose off of him. So him just say that for all the crowd same way, but him nah push for certain things.
But no.
That could have.
So the confusion open. So everybody for confused. All the fans are confused. So yes, so as going forward, pay confusion. So to just stay cool.
RT boss not tricking people them. He make sure can say confuse the enemy.
Be a confusion. Make it stay so. Alright, so we could continue the show. We can't talk about Ivany and say what we say. But I don't want nobody worry. The girl said what we say, if we draw them out for them come tell we and them tell we and so forth. Now the bottom line, no me see why she never want to say no. I'm not here to confirm no negative, no. I'm not here to confirm no bad. I don't want to know why in the text message, me just a show confusion. That me come back come go no. Confusion. So me not say no.
I love that. RT, can you please let them know this platform, people watched it and go back to immigration. So you guys can also fuck her. Be careful of everything that you said. Like I said this morning, I've been through it. Be careful of everything that you guys said and stop bringing up the people. Stop bringing up our past. I'm talking the comment section. They scream record shit and send it over to immigration. Gonna help in sinking this girl and she's gonna come out. That's not how ICE work. They're gonna have a...
Most of them people out there on the live is in cahoots with Ivany and this girl here.
Talk with her and she's gonna come out. Her child alone gonna hold her here in America. They don't just deport you like that. She did not kill anyone.
I feel better you come back and fix it. So the people them know who did it on my side. My message to you is work with Taya now. But Taya, we get a beating in the long run. We receive it another day.
Yeah, you say? She go get a beating in the long run, but them are going to save it for another day. People don't listen good enough.
We Taya now.
On a ton pan the girl and start cause
the reason why she go get the beating, if come mess up them platform that them lose them credibility that people don't believe in what they must say again. You see RT boss, for him line of work what him do, him can't manage to get mixed up in a false allegations and rumors. Because for him line of work, people depend upon him to be credible, truthful and honest.
the girl like it's a joke.
I know everybody's spiritual, you know. I know everybody knows certain things.
Mama, you go get them come and chat one whole palan to blow chat people I wonder why one now. You yourself I wonder too. You go be a man come chat one person never hear
right now when you I think everybody's supposed to get scared just now. You know, so you start some people brain just now.
Me I tell you them I wonder away what be a man sing about.
Okay.
No sugar.
Me just mix it further.
Because when you come on a home, you just
Guys, I'm gonna go to bed, alright?
Bye, darling. Can you go to big up yourself?
I'm really not in the mood right now. Bye, guys.
Bye.
everyone ain't gonna be alright. I'll wait for that just pray. As RT say, good on in a
So like how she gone, you know, people, me I go jump off of that topic, yeah. And I go show you where she come on social media. I look a clip with her and where she come say. You see me, I say, people, when you take where this girl here push that girl here, I go either sink Ivany deeper or get herself in a trouble also. But it look like say I know nothing illegal them do because the way our RT boss come and say people for work with she, you know what I mean? It look like say him want she get the help but him don't want put himself in at the middle. Him no want involved in them scam what them are going with. You see me I say because a scam you scam people if you ask for money and support upon this when a something else you do with the money. That's scamming. You understand me? I say RT boss don't want him name mix up in it. Blinga don't want fear name mix up in it. And people, I go show you the thing them you know where Blinga and RT boss do. You understand? Because them people you come with them little sugar brain mentality. I try trick people and think say people are big head bud and no sense. Say them a confused enemy. You see when RT boss come out, him a try if take him name out it, you know, but him see say him done in it already. Him a try you know if take himself out it little bit, but him done in his lies already. Him just a find out say a bag of lie pan the right now just a while ago. You know why him find out? Because the people them at the start of the video, the people them a beat this girl here and I say she had to lie. She said she have receipt for sure, but because her name and somebody else's name depend on the receipt, why she not show it? Why would I take you if you just use your finger and black out the two name them and show the receipt? Why it I go take you? Not go take you nothing at all. See? So after the people them at call her out on her lies now, and RT boss himself starts saying, no man, you get called from too much people, all Jesus I call you. And I say some things. She just click in her brain and say, you know, say she say if send you and Blinga this and that. So she want tell RT boss the plan. You know, she come on the platform first to trick everybody, including RT boss and Blinga, you know. But through the people them a call her out, you know. And she say RT boss find out say something right here, so some liar tell cause them feel like say they can trick people with them sugar and water brain. But through RT boss him a find out, you know. She say, okay, you know what me I go do? Me I go let in RT boss and me I go let in Blinga upon the secret. You hear what Blinga tell RT boss for do? Send me Blinga tell him pan the ear, you know. Send me the thing, RT boss, me see what it say. That time RT boss come off for the live when him find out what go on long time and go call Blinga and them done talk and discuss everything. And she said this girl here, I can bring down them thing. So they make a plan. So when Blinga tell RT boss now say, send me it, you know. Blinga know say she can come back later on and say RT boss maybe never send her, so she never know what go on. And you see after the live here people, me go share the next live where Blinga say upon the next live. You see me I say, you hear what RT boss say, you go get a beating in the long run, but not now. Because eventually people are going to find out and them have to go defend themselves. So we are going to go over to where she come on the media, Ivany friend come on the media and say, so people that video here, that one here is a talking video. You know what I mean? Me I point out certain things to Uno, so me have to do it like this. No, that's a difference, you know, me I go share with you know. All on the people wanna be here with me. I'm gonna find out me I look for you know and share with you know. So she you know and Ivany me people, them got job, them plan. Alright, so this is how she come on the internet and say no want to watch the video here. Watch the video here people.
Wait for she come and come go live. We can't wait for she go live. Frika, thank you. Everybody over.
So she come on the internet and I tell people say Ivany is out. She's out. This is before she go do that, you
know. Over when me in the live, RT, so I'm gonna get my apology now. And the people them apologize and something, you know. People them apologize.
And I mix up other
okay,
people.
I'm telling you this. You see when you come on to people money, me not run money jokes. You see, I collect money for somebody, me I make sure so them get all of them money.
Let me see if you know see what me I see. Let me see if you know see what me I see. Alright. Confirm by Ivany close friend that she's now out. Confirm by Ivany close friend that she's now out. And when she said on the live, she can't wait for Ivany come click our live. So them people are tell lie, but them can't hide. You see me I say, them plan the lie and can't tell it.
So all the people them want to drag me, I can't go and drag me. When I can't go and drag me. No found up on the internet wishing to have somebody in a corner like me.
What? People wanna tell me, wish did have somebody in a corner like this woman. She are the person who give Ivany the website where they put in our number and look for him and guy me yard drive our other guy me yard go mash up him car.
Yeah, no found wishing to have somebody in a corner like me. No, for real. And like me I tell guys, enough of them people up on the internet wish them to have somebody in them corner like Toya. Like Toya. Remember no. Me never know if you get a card from jail, you have to put your card on it. And every time Vani come, me never decline it. I put my card and I talk to her and I help. I go to my way and I find like attorney for her. You know what she said to me? You know what she said to me? She said, Toya, the lawyer is so nice. I said, Vani, me never ever find a fucked up liar, girl. Me take my time and I read. Me know what good liar is, yeah?
Alright, so I just apart them more and share with other people. You see me I say, and you see everything when me I talk about this case, and I like somebody I give me any information and me just see it and dissect it and see what them I say and the things them not add up. So me I go just say all of this is alleged. Me just I go say that. You know what I mean? So people, me I go share with only you know where Bling say, because Bling find out where them are going with and I take herself away from the situation. And that's why you know people, a lot of people on social media, you know, are in general, them we gang up, group up, friend them one another, although them and a friend them not like each other, fi pick on the next person. You see me I say them we come together fi bring down a next person. But guess what? Them not like one another, you know. That are the first thing, right? So them can't coexist for too long, because the whole of we are not friend, you know. But we are come together fi bring down the person. Yeah. You see me just say this. We are come together fi bring down the person. Yeah. But you see at the end of the, you know what? I'm going to stop myself. I'm not going to say nothing. So here we go on people. We are go over to Blinga, you know, and hear where Blinga I say. So when you hear Blinga now, I take fear herself out of the foolishness. Because she no want lead her people them blindly to, you know, and then at the end of the day them come blame her and say, me can't believe say Blinga this era people.
Next thing, the Ivany situation. I have to take myself away from that situation.
Nobody never put you in a note, you know.
Sorry. Somebody did decide on me when I go through the lives. You know, when you turn on your life and you go through, you know, boy, I don't know about my rascal. This is fucked up, I swear. And
but Blinga now go tell her the real reason why she had take away herself out of the situation. She now go tell her Here, Blinga excuse now.
And none of the mouths will never meet. No, my rascal. This is fucked up. I swear. And Diary, me and none of the mouths will never meet. None of them. You know why?
Damage control, people.
You see, camera. No, the Ivany situation, me I go say this and done to. God know me tired. Me can't take him man. Me tired. Me no want no argument with nobody. Like me tired. Every day me.
Damage control.
The Ivany situation now, me I go explain it to you. Ivany and me go down Emmanuel Road. I mean, know what go on we do now. Me know what go on we do now. You know, remember say, me used to beat Ivany. Ivany sending one of the sensation them over my live one day. See, me never know. I mean, they give some people moderator to help me block them or get rid of them. People me and our war, now me and Ivany son friend, we cool people. And enough people don't like that. You can't be like that, people. You can't be like that. Not because I talk to somebody who don't like. You cannot be like that. So I'm not give 2 fuck if for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You don't like to see me in no peace. You don't like to see me in no peace. 90% of the people them want me beat on the app, me and them cool now. And I never me go to them and them come to me. Some of them send me match, some of them this, some of them that. Oh God, man, why you have to do me them way, yeah? That's why I say me a hypocrite. Yes, me a hypocrite, but me is the honest hypocrite. Why people who there from the beginning with me must get upset with people who add to the box who don't like. If you don't like a person, just come out for the live now.
So people, me want to say this. A good while now, Ivany and Blinga, a friend. Blinga had Ivany in her box countless times. So you go tell me say, I know people are going to say them thing there when she help somebody where she and them been friends for a long time now. As me say people, we grew up with them enemies. People when I like them and people who them not like, for bring down a next person. But at the end of the day, them not really like each other. But what keep them together are them hate for the next person. You see me I say? So you tell me say, you and Ivany been on live, a chat, a go on with yourself. People know say you're good together. And nobody don't have a problem with it until now we are raise little money for Ivany get out of custody. Bling, allegedly, all of this is allegedly, people. Or all of this is alleged. Bling, because she no want to tell the real reason why she has stepped away from the Ivany situation. This is what she do.
Come on for the live. Jesus God. You can't tell me who to add to the live. You begs when me add some people to the live. For what? One begs for. Me can't run a live to please. You go click one next live then. Go click phone live and then rub me out and rub out Wagwan and rub out, bring a hypocrite, bring bias, bring this. People are me alone. Me tired. Me fuck grass tired. Me pussy blood.
Why I know all of this a come to light when Ivany allegedly don't get bail already. All of the drama them stop collect money for Ivany already. Why I know she a go step away from the situation? Because she not go carry on with the lie no more. You see me I say maybe she was locked up for true. But then them want to add the party upon the story and she don't want to lead the people them in the wrong direction. she don't want at the end of the day when everything go bust out, people disappointed at what she a do. She and RT boss take with themselves from the situation. RT boss say, me dep on this girl side, Ivany friend side, but guess what? Me out of it. Pure confusion. Way. So because them no want bust out the secret because them and Ivany have some type of link or whatever. Them no want, because if them never did have no link or nothing, this would have bust out, me I tell you. So because of that now, them Blinga come out and say, here we go on. Everybody a fight me down because me and Ivany are friend. Why and when every money done pay and she get bail? Why and now you are going to take away yourself from the situation when on a done get everything sorted out, on a victorious? You know what I mean? Now at the time for celebration. And say, you know what I mean, Bling, me love what you do, Ray. Why I know people are going to bash you? Why them never bash you when you just pick up the thing and start asking money when you run out? And start asking money for Ivany and raise this amount. Why I never them the time that you tell the people them say, Una Ray, Una no like the girl. Why we never hear that? Why we never hear say, Una no like the girl and the girl in a trouble and Una tell me say this, we don't hear none of that. But when all of the money raised, people, Una look out on the eye. Don't trust people. Even salt look like sugar. So we are going to end that one here. So we are going to go to Real Dawg, you know, and Raja. Seeing because them find out say them a family-in-law. You know what I mean? So we are going to watch that. We're going to just watch one little piece. Alright, so make a watch piece of this.
I tell you, auntie name at England.
Oh, you know, some of people are England. And I need to be people them.
Are your people, cause of your blood. And that's why you're your auntie. I see him.
Come on, my team. Top, yeah, my team. Use it up. Use it triple so we can get this
Word up.
please.
All right, let me make it clear. You say your auntie's daughter.
Yeah.
Your auntie's daughter. She's my cousin's baby mother. Soon to be wife.
That's a Sam wife. So how your family reaching on my family?
And that me want know. Me don't know why the world have a cross. I me not like you.
Hey, yo, tell your blood clot cousin niece if run. Tell your blood clot cousin.
Run, move your blood clot. You and your auntie are the same thing. You and your auntie are the same thing.
No, tell him to run.
You and your auntie are the same thing.
Right, me say if you know where you know,
you know your auntie you take off her. And your auntie you take off.
Which auntie? Take off which auntie? I'm mad somebody. Take off which process auntie.
Yeah, so you are nasty.
Go with your blood clot new family, no man. That was the blood clot, yo. Yeah, your new family. Go on with your new family.
Wait there. World Dawg, me say, World Dawg. You never know, say. Me I gonna bring your auntie on the live. Yeah, when your auntie there at the house, me I gonna bring your auntie back. Cause oh, you sleeping, fam? Oh, what's World Dawg's auntie's name again? Your stepmom. Huh? I'm not hearing you, fam. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Yes, Marlene Dunbar is your aunt. She is our daughter is my cousin's baby mom. World Dawg, let me tell you. I'ma tell you, you know. You always a one dino.
When you come out from a bumbo clot live, when you come out, you have to tear me down and follow my blood clot live step. Roger, you can go on with blood clot, Marlene. Roger, leave me alone. Roger, go on where you go. All right. Come on, tap a screen.
Don't cuss me. Yeah, cost me.
Yo, come on.
Yeah,
Go
cost
on
me.
with them. Go on with them. Go on with them. Come on, my team. Go on with them, Roger. Go on with them.
Yeah, cost me. No, me no want to go away. I saw me and steal.
No, I didn't say nothing, you know. I didn't say nothing.
But are you good auntie? Are you she take off her? Are she take off a world dog? True. Is she a take off her? World dog supposed to say that boy your crosses. You know that boy your crosses. You know.
Yeah, Roger. So
Say Chippy said. Chippy, you know long from last year I want to tell you this, you know. But we never yet can get a chance to tell you. Before me I all cuss. So we are closer than we think. We're like, so you don't know say you're a little cousin or my little cousin.
no, me never know.
No, serious thing though, fun and joke aside. This is no joke.
No, for you tell me her name, I feel serious because nobody not really know my people them like that. So when I say her name, I don't say serious.
So the little picnic bar now, him and Raja family, him and Real Dawg family. So you can call them family in-laws, Raja and Real Dawg family in-laws. It's a small world, though.
And your father was superstar though. Your father was superstar.
So then tell her everything.
Everything. So we no family. What's up?
So Marlene give some of my father money what they run with.
Marlene have her own money, you know.
Yeah, Marlene have more dirty money.
Marlene have her own money.
Achoo, Marlene big house. Achoo.
And Marlene drive a Range Rover.
Auntie! My sweet good up Auntie Dunbar, Marlene! Drive Range Rover! Auntie!
More than that too.
Auntie, come here! Auntie! I'm your auntie long time! I'm a father's sister!
Relax. You know
Yeah.
so my look a cousin favor you.
Roger, you're gone far! You're gone far now!
So no you and them favor.
No, you're gone too far now!
Are you and them
You're gone too
favor?
far.
Are you and them favor? It's you and them favor. That's why you and them can't agree so. And you and them have the same ways.
No, let me tell you something. I'm going now. Me not hide and tell you. You can't tell them, so me tell you this. Roger said my father did rich and a superstar. They never encouraged my father to give my mother nothing. And my mother did still have to say sell bag juice and sit in the market. You wrong me? And you would make it Sandra, 9 o'clock, please, Sandra.
Alright, I'm a workout.
People, I don't know if you hear that little part there a while ago. When Real Dawg say his mother have to sell bag juice, your butter, and you have to make the bag juice them.
So 150.
No, I really thought that's why me not really fuck with them. You no laugh, you know, bro. Me tell you, it's when you love your parents, when you don't want to the parents go.
But them love your World Dawg.
Eh?
But them love you. I don't like them talk bad boy you.
I know every one of them love me. Me and Marlene don't have nothing. Me and Marlene never have nothing.
Marlene not talk nothing about you bad.
No, she
Marlene
not
just
talk.
said you're never. And I was so shocked. And I knew here, you know, before we actually argued, fam. I knew this from last year, bruv, because you got English family, bruv. And I do got English family too, innit? But that's like your father's side of family, the Dunbars. And then you take off her.
No, I'm not take off a Dunbar. Stop that.
Watch out. That me I tell you say about me and World Dawg closer than you. Cause World Dawg a cousin of my cousin. What you can say?
I am a Dunbar.
Him now file for you though, Roger.
Him now what?
File for you.
File for me. Ronald, come here. You want to say something to me, man? Say something, man. Nah, man, you just have PS. You're pacing, Chippy. I know you want to say something. Say something, bruv.
You go to my father, man. Roger. A Chrissy dog breed?
Yeah, Marlene daughter.
Chrissy.
The pretty one there.
Yeah. Yo, my dog.
Alright, some people, I'm going to share one little piece of our next video with the Zine. So Raja and Rosalie, them link up and them a play much or whatever. Zine and Raja talk about the whole Swiss thing. You know what I mean? Say, oh, Swiss no come link him or whatever. But Rosalie has said, you know what I mean? She'd love to link up. Let me just play the video and hear what Rosalie has said. Alright, I'm going to play just a little bit of this. You know, I play too much because, you know what I mean? I just go on a little piece.
Lying.
Roger, what?
Am I lying?
No.
Me look good before TikTok. Am I lying?
Roger, where you come with it?
Me ask you a blood clot question. It's either me a liar or not. Help protect the nuggets at 10.
Guys, take the 10 nuggets.
Now the people that must stress me out, every one of them. You're not going to look for Swiss Lee. You're not going to look for Swiss Lee.
But the
like I know Swiss Lee come our country.
Oh, Rosalie.
Which country? Which country?
Rosalie.
Jamaica.
Swiss Lee there?
Why you the part when Rosalie I say, you know what I mean?
No man, Scorpio mommy. Scorpio mommy. Oh yeah. Scorpio mommy, you argue with me, Scorpio mommy. Make me understand. Because if you argue with me now, Scorpio mommy, me I gotta argue back with you.
Then Swiss Lee get papers?
So Swiss Lee there, everybody asks me if I'm not gonna look for Swiss Lee, like I know Swiss Lee come on my yard. No, I want no Scorpio mommy, make it clear. Cause if I don't know if you Swiss Lee lawyer or you defend Swiss Lee case. But me a tell a Scorpio mommy, tread light. Come people, 4 roses.
And Swiss Lee they get visa?
Me no know Rose. What time if the man have traveled, the man must have him papers. You right? The man must have him papers for your travel.
10 nuggets.
Come on, people, protect the 10 nuggets, member.
Of his papers. Okay, King.
And Rosalie Mount Renki. Come push up the score, people.
Guys, triple.
Come, people, push up the score, but me I tell you, Scorpio. Mommy, you better tread light, here, lady. Me I tell you. Everybody protect the well-blessed girl walk one.
Guys, shoot out.
I remember, pretty Dan left the local book with me. Me take it up for the blood clot. Come, people, protect the nuggets. That island.
So you take a put it on book.
Yeah, me and our friend.
Rather to home say put it on class, you.
That island
song,
chick.
you know?
Eh?
You're strong.
So when she go class, me say no Rosalie. She don't know nothing about me. They know her content.
Our?
Me love how Roger said that a while ago. Him say no our content. So enough people enough of the time. Them getting at them feelings when content creators say certain things. You know what I mean? And them know, you see, it always a go happen in this earlier people. You see, a person where them can, you would say manage or think them can manage or whatever, them a go always find a way to build a truce with that person there. But the person where them feel like say them can devour, them a go always try to damage that person there. Them a go give the bigger people them a chance and say, oh, a content. But the next people them a go say, you remember call up my name, even if you say a little something. And you know go as hard as them the people they go. them are go say, you know what I mean, one yam off that the person the head. You see me I say? But them are go give that person their pass. So only no make, you know what? And with the situation with Swisley where Raja say Swisley no come link him. You know what I mean? Me no feel like him mean nothing by it. Me just feel like say, you know what I mean? Raja is a man where bossy and COCKY. You know what I mean? The word they have two meanings, so I don't want to say it. So he's a man we are gonna always big up himself no matter how you big or think you big. He gonna always big up himself. But Rosalie did say something where she has said she woulda love to go out with Cicely, she and Triple and Raja and just go have a day out and eat some food and whatever. But I feel like Cicely are go there for a while, so eventually everybody are going to get them link up. And no hard feelings, no did not at all, you know what I mean? It's just that when a person just fly in and him link up with him people, them and them with it, him not going to have time for everybody right away. When him settle down, then the link are going to make. You see me? Because even if him go link Raja right away, that are going to be a little small link because him have so much other people for link. So him can't go link Raja right away. You know what I mean? The only thing where I would link him and heal him, but maybe Sicily now want a little ear link. Him want to link up how much people first. Then when him come a Raja and can sit down with Raja and build a little bit of even go live on them with it. So I don't think I know style Sicily a pop on him or nothing like that. Is it? So people let me know what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? This kind of longer. So maybe me play it to its full entirety next time. But right now, I'm going to cut this right here. So let me know what you think in the comment section.